Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to prepare carrot cake, so do stay with me and let me show you how to prepare nice delicious carrot cake. We are going to be needing carrots. I'm using 5 carrots, milk, 4 eggs, flour, sugar, oil. Now I'm just going to cut the carrots. And then just going to put in the blender. Add my egg. Sugar, oil, and the milk. Cover and then just blend all together. Now our mixture is ready. I'm just going to pour it in a bowl. I'm just trying the thickness. Everything is blended very well. Now I'm just going to pour in the bowl. And I'm just going to add the flour. And mix it very well. Now that all is well mixed, I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And mix it very well again. Mix until it is well mixed. And now in the baking bowl, I just add my margarine and then spread with the flour. And I'm just going to add the mixture to the baking bowl. I've already put my oven on. Our mixture is ready. Now I'm just going to put in the oven and leave it to bake for 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, I just check and our cake is ready. So this is how it looked like, our carrot cake. Now I'm just going to prepare a mixture to cover the cake. So I'm just going to need powdered chocolate, just half packet, 1 packet of cream milk, and mix very well. Now the mixture is well mixed. I'm just going to add half of condensed milk, just half tin of the condensed milk, not to be too sweet. And as it's on the fire, you keep on stirring not to burn. And then you just check the consistency, the thickness. As well. Now I'm just going to cover our chocolate on the cake, spread all around the cake. So that's it. Now I'm just going to take a piece for you guys to see how it looks like. This is very delicious cake made with carrot, and this is very good carrot cake. Please, if you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.